নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে। আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 152 এবং আজকের এপিসোড বাটিকের ওপর। আপনারা সবাই জানেন বাটিক একটা ওয়্যাক্স দিয়ে তৈরি একটা ডাইয়ের ওপর করা হয়, যে কোনো ফ্যাব্রিকের ওপর হতে পারে। পিওর ফ্যাব্রিক হলে রংটা ধরে এবং সেটা ক্র্যাকের ওপর হয় এবং তার মধ্যে মধ্যে মোমের মধ্যে কালারটা যায়। ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা প্রসেস, আমরা ছোটোবেলা স্কুলেও শিখেছি, কিন্তু বেসিক্যালি ইটস আ ভেরি টিডিয়াস প্রসেস, যেটা প্রফেশনালি করা হয়। প্রচুর কালার মিক্সিংয়ের ব্যাপার থাকে। দেখতে থাকুন, আজকে কিছু সুন্দর বাটিক দেখাবো। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, এটা আমি খালি দুটো এনেছি, দুটো বানানো হয়েছে কোটা ডোরিয়ার ওপর বাটিক করা হয়েছে। ভীষণ আনকমন কোটা ডোরিয়া, পিওর কোটা, কটন কোটা ফ্রম রাজস্থান, তার মধ্যে বাটিক করা হয়েছে ভেজিটেবল ডাইয়ের ওপর। This is the pallu part. This is on Kota Doria, product number 1A, 5500 batik. Very heavy quality Kota Doria. These are not, there are any sari, there are counts. So this is a heavy count Kota sari, pure Kota Doria, Rajasthan, and with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with batik. This is product number 1. Very, very comfortable, and at the same time it is traditional because it has batik. This is product number 1. Product number 1B, the same thing, in a navy midnight blue, it's a dark, very dark navy, blackish navy with mustard. Very bright, traditional combination. 5500, this is the pallu part. Very soft, comfortable and very skin friendly, sustainable fashion. This is the blouse piece for this. Wear it with this blouse only because it look really smart, and wear it with your silver jungs. This is product number 1B. So now coming to some lovely Chanderi batik with jute woven border. So this is totally new. With your, the way you tell me, the way you inspire me, the way such lovely comments you send me in WhatsApp. So it really inspires me to do more and more experiments in different fabrics, keeping the traditional art in mind. So see, it's a lovely, you can see the border from this side. This is a very heavy quality, very good Chanderi, heavy quality as I said, with temple jute weave. This is the border of the blouse piece. It's in more or less the colors will be earthy tones only, but at the same time it will be very bright on wearing because this is in batik. This is a wine color with onion pink. It's more or less this, I'll show you some lovely colors, and especially with this jute woven border, it's giving a very a different classy look because of the border. I thought of giving a zari border before, but then I thought I think the jute would look something different than the zari, because I always show zari border in the kalamkari chanderis. This is 4500. Now I'll show you some lovely batiks in this chanderi. Very comfortable, very easy to wear, and ideal for gifting also. Crack batik with border batik. Now number 3, navy and a lighter midnight blue, 2 colors. Very smart designs. Border, pallu, 4500. You know, in any semi-formal occasion, these look so nice and looks very bright in the photos also. These are, you know, everywhere we are now clicking pictures. We love taking selfies of us, and this designs these bright batiks, even though it's in solid colors, less of multicolors, still these look very elegant. For those who don't want many colors, like you know, subtle batik, for them this is really very nice in Chanderi with jute woven border. See the pallu, beautiful pallu. Number 3, sorry, this is number 4. I have stock in this because this time I've made, I'm sure most of you will get them, if not everybody, but because this is you know, I'm very comfortable fabric, and you will love the designs in batik, I'm sure, because lot of thought process have gone into this. Tag. See the color, it's in deep maroon color, reddish, but I wouldn't say deep. It's a nice, very nice burnt sienna color with kesar. See the color combination with the blouse piece, leaf design blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and here is the body batik for you. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. The oldest one, 27-year-old Sanskriti, the label, is in 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The Cornfield Road branch we opened few years back, where we are keeping the men's ethnic wear collection also. The other collection, little different from each other, will be available in both the branches. Like batik, you will get more collection in both the branches, but to get the exact product of the YouTube episodes or Facebook, you have to do prior booking. This is also 4,500 in black and beige. I'll show you very nice designs, you know, all new designs in this Chanderi batik. This is the blouse piece. Very smart design, not too much floral. Something little different from the regular batiks that I usually show. All 4,500. Now about the details of our store and our you know, details is Sundays we are now keeping open. We'll be open every day, both the branches, till Durga Puja. Then we'll take a 4 days break, and then we'll be back with again Diwali stock. Now cash on delivery only in Kolkata, otherwise we are shipping internationally. Those who have their bookings and all, please make it quick, as Puja is almost here. So please, you know, if you have your payments, anything pending and all, please do it, and so that we can ship earliest. This is the blouse piece. In Kolkata, cash on delivery. Outside Kolkata, via courier. We are shipping worldwide. Internationally, we ship regularly. The shipping charges depends on the destination and the weight. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. 4,500, another lovely shade of black and mauve. It's actually dark, very dark bluish black, navy bluish black. Another wine color, magenta wine color, you can say. See, but the design is different. It was like the navy that I showed you initially. We will not take orders for this, only as long as stock lasts. 4,500. This is the pallu part, all with jute temple woven sleek border. Very smart looking. Mainly it's the comfort factor. You will love this fabric. It's so comfortable. Heavy quality Chanderi woven. you know, whenever you open a wardrobe and you feel something very comfortable, you always tend to grab that and wear that. So this is one of that fabric. Number 8, coffee and black. See the colors, I mean mainly I've used earthy tones, because in Vishnupuri silk I usually use the loud colors, the brighter tones. In Chanderi I've used subtle, elegant, classy colors, 4500. Both have a different look, totally different from each other, but both are batik. This is the blouse piece. Navy and Rama. This is a very appreciated combination in batik. Pallu 4500. Blouse piece. Snuff, mehendi and lovely shade, very beautiful shade. Very dark mehendi green actually. Kind of a dark wet henna shade. 4500. Beautiful piece. This is the actual color. Now you can understand. Please do share, like and subscribe our channel. We are uploading new videos, new stocks almost alternate day. 4 to 5 videos every week now before the puja, so that you can do happy shopping. Please send the feedback whenever you receive the product. WhatsApp me your honest feedback. I'm always open to all it's not that always I will receive positive feedback. Sometimes definitely there are negative ones, which I take it as a stepping stone to a better service. Actually we've never been in the digital this thing. We are very new to this. So yes, we don't have a very proper team management, because all our showroom staffs and myself also very backdated. I'm not at all this social media savvy. Digital this thing is, I'm very new to this, but still I'm trying, and I appreciate your patience you've shown. This is also a very nice onion pink shade with a wine color combination batik in Chanderi only. All the prints are different, lovely shades, lovely designs. This is the blouse piece. See, these are very natural in batik. This imperfection leads to perfection. $4500. Number 12. So you see, I've given you many options in Chanderi batik, jute woven temple border. whenever you book these products, please give me options, this or this, so that, yeah, definitely you give me your first preference. If that is available, definitely I will give you that only if available. 4500 in navy color, navy and chandan combination. It's when you're getting so many options, it's best if you can give me one or two options, so that one or two choices, so that at least if you don't get this one, you have an option of the other one. This is the blouse piece. Now coming to, yes, this is not batik though, but I couldn't bring up many designs in this episode because of the rains. So I'm showing you in pure silk, Murshidabad silk, DT quality, Madhubani print, leaf green self printed border pallu, the body with Madhubani print, price 4500. Closely you can see the print. It has this self design with Madhubani printed, you know, fish, bird, leaves, not bird, leaves, flowers. Very cute Madhubani prints in the body with leaf green border, blouse piece and pallu. Pure Bishnupuri, pure Murshidabad silk. I have 3 colors, 14, red border, lovely for gifting also. These are from Murshidabad, printing done by us in Kolkata. 4500 for gifting, also very nice, soft, comfortable for elderly people also. They love printed silk for gifting purpose. Red border traditional sari for Durga Puja. This is the blouse piece in red. Sober combination. This is the pallu part, and see there is a self design in the border. 4500 again, Madhubani printing. Murshidabad is in West Bengal. It's very famous for their silks. This is deeper moss green, again with fish and flower Madhubani print. Pallu 4500 for all printed silks. Here is the blouse piece. These prints actually, since the cut is a bit very fine cut, so the printing has come out very neat. Number 15. This is a batik printed Murshidabad silk. It is giving an impression of batik. You know, very abstract, just as if it has an impression. Pallu and the border black and white 4500. We have Murshidabad silk printed in store. Usually I have not shown, but this time I thought of showing you. This is the blouse piece and it's very thick quality. Usually Murshidabad silk is lighter than Bishnupuri silk, but we use the TT quality so that it's heavy, very heavy quality. 4500. Very smart print. Now coming to something that I am wearing. You are quite, this is quite a known silk. I've been showing for quite some time, and this is the third episode in Bishnupuri Shonamukhi Modhumom Batik. You love these, I know, and you wait for this episode, and these are also 4500. It has a black blouse piece with the border. 4500 crack batik with batik border, pallu, blouse piece. 4500. Even the mannequin is wearing a Shonamukhi Bishnupuri silk Modhumom batik. See the way the batik is coming, like this. These look very nice on draping. This is the pallu part. It has only design ending in one corner. Very smart design. And see this is the pleat part. Coffee color. We will take orders for Modhumom batik, but around 2 months time, because there's Puja and Diwali in between. Now I have another few pieces. I couldn't do much designs in this because of the rains. A fudge color Alpona batik in the pallu. Body. Blouse piece. Very sober combination. With the fudge blouse. Another very smart design. As I said, it is a very, very tedious process. Involves a lot of mixing, lot of hard work actually. This is the blouse piece. Cracks blouse piece with the border. No border, only the upper will have the border, upper part, and this is the way it will fall. See, it's a very fashionable sari. See, upper part will have this batik. The pleats will be only in cracks with the yellow blouse piece and the border, and then here comes the pallu. Is it clear? This sari, this pallu. Very fashionable piece. This is the pallu part. See the batik. Limited stock, 2 months time, but on this thing that the motifs will not be exactly the same. So if you compromise with that, I'm ready to take orders, but after receiving I'll not. Please don't say that this is not exactly same, because in a hand work you can never get this motif this thick. You may get it 1/4 inch broader. So you have to compromise with that, and the color may be 19-20 difference, but it's more or less same, because our mixing pattern is all noted. How much to mix with the other color to get this color. So there is a process. So that's noted. Be sure there won't be a problem, but still, because I've been taking orders of batik for quite some time, So nobody faced a problem till date. So hopefully it will not be in future, but still I want to be clear myself. This is the upper part. Again, a very smart design. The upper part will be in black and red batik. The upper part, the lower part will have only a sleek, solid Costa border. Fully crack. I actually love crack batiks with minimum motifs and these alpon. This is the blouse piece. So here you go. Half part in white cracks, the other part in red cracks. So now you see the way I'm draping, so you can understand how it will come after you wear it. Because batik, what we do, Sanskriti is, we arrangement. We always, highlight on arrangement of the motifs. See the pallu part. Very smart design again, see. Now coming to pure tussar, batik print with work. This is printed batik with katha, hand katha, just guri run quilt stitch, woven coffee color zari, matte, subtle, subdued, and the pallu. See the way the work has been done. It is not actually, I wouldn't say it's a katha, it's a, what stitch we used to call, I forgot. Oh my god, it's a chain stitch. Yeah, I think chain stitch. The back part is this way, the front part it's coming like katha. It's a beautiful handwork. How could I forget? It's not coming on my head. It's in my head but not coming in my mouth. Lovely stitch. See the back part. Dark coffee color. It's a very classy, fashionable, elegant sari. With the blouse piece. See the border, you can understand how subtle the zari is. The blouse is zari woven, fully zari stripe, but it's so subtle. It's looking very elegant. See the batik print. Even though it's print, it's giving such a beautiful impression. Every woman loves flowers, so when we drape flowers in our these garments, these fabrics, this gives us a different pleasure. This is again a heavy quality zari border tussar batik print with ari work. See the pallu and the border. 10,900 batik, tussar batik with embroidery. Very heavy quality tussar, let me tell you. Very heavy quality tussar with zari woven blouse piece. I myself had worn a similar in different combination in one of the tussar episodes. Very different concept with tassels, handmade tassels, and the work. I'll show you closely the work. Another tussar crack batik with embroidery, chicken curry. Self embroidery with a touch of zari highlight, machine work. Aqua 22, product number 22, 11,900. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product along with the number mentioned and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided Once the booking is confirmed, we'll ask you to make the payment. First come, first serve basis. After the payment, we'll courier it to you within 3 working days. It will be shipped from our store. You have to have patience because now it's puja rush, so 1 or 2 days we are taking more time. This is the blouse piece with work, pure tussar with beautiful flowered butta design. And take the screenshot, please. The screenshot is must. No phone calls, only WhatsApp messages. Please, within 24 hours you will get the reply, and once the payment is received, we'll ship it in 3 days. All these still pictures will be uploaded in Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. The link is already provided. Also the Insta page. Once you like the page Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, you will be able to check out the next episode preview. You can check out the screenshots of these photos. Also there is the album, photo albums, from which you can get more options of products, available products. More options. There's the WhatsApp number. Both the numbers, 30 pictures are uploaded every day in the status. Available products are uploaded which you can book and we can courier it to you. See, it's a beautiful combination, this also. Body in cracks and the border in self embroidery. The work is very, very pretty. Paisley work, chicken work. It's just as if, you see the back side, so neat. It's just like the old Kashmiri shawls that we see now, that kind of work. Lovely embroidery. Even the color combination, the quality, the overall finish, the polish, the sari quality, a lot depends on the polish also. This is the blouse piece. Pallu part. The last one, number 24. All the shades are very eye-catching. Same price, 11,900. Please visit the branches, and it really feels nice to interact with you. And my staffs are always ready to show you the best collection of your choice. So please visit. We are open again on Sundays till Durga Puja. This is the whole sari. New collection added every day. And lastly, about the jewelry of that I am wearing. This is a stone setting, pearl and polki setting, neck piece, 550 with earrings. Beautiful, lovely. You can see closely the finish of the work. The neck, there's tassels, so you can lengthen the neck piece also. Black tassels. If you want, you can. And the pair of balas that I am wearing, 2550 for this too. Pair. So there is a screw. Any way, a wrist size can wear this. So that's it for today. Thank you. Namaskar.